Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I was thinking to do like a transitioning makeup, something that will go from winter to spring, if that makes any sense. And I was thinking to use these two eyeshadow palettes from NYX Cosmetics, the warm neutrals and brights, you know, kind of combine both of them and do like a beautiful makeup look with a twist. So I'm gonna be doing that, and yeah, so let's get right into it. So firstly I will prime my face, and I will use the Prep and Blur stick from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So I will go all over my face and then just blend it with my hands. And then, as always, I will use a little bit of eye cream. It really helps my under eye area, you know, to hold the concealer a lot better. So now I will go with the contour first, and I will use the Wonder Stick by NYX Cosmetics, and I will use the darker shade. And I will take my beauty blender and blend that out. Now you'll probably be wondering, why on earth have I started by doing my contour and not applying my foundation first? Now there is a reason for that. By doing this technique, it will make my foundation and my whole complexion to look more natural. Now this is a technique that I've been using maybe for the last couple of weeks. I was watching like all these videos on TikTok and Instagram and all that, where you apply like you know, contour, concealer, blush, foundation, and you blend that all. I mean, I tried that, but it didn't really work for me. So I tried to change the technique of the, you know, lazy makeup. So I went with the contour, then the concealer, then the foundation, and I was like really impressed by the result. It really looked so freaking flawless. I was like really impressed. So I guess right now I am showing you my new technique. Okay, so now I will go and use some concealer, and I'm taking the Instant Anti-Age from Maybelline, and I am in the shade Ivory. So I'm gonna go a bit here on the eyes, a little bit on my forehead, around my mouth, and on my nose, like that. And again with the beauty blender I'll just blend that out. And now I will go ahead and use the foundation, and I'm taking Santé Cosmetics. This is in number 03. And because I've already done my you know, contour and concealer, I just need a little bit of foundation. It's gonna take a few pumps. Now I will use some Fix Plus from MAC Cosmetics. And I will go with my beauty blender and press everything in. And I will use some pressed powder just around my T-zone, and I'm taking this one by Estée Lauder. This is the Double Matte Oil Control Pressed Powder, and I'm in the shade number 2, light to medium. I'm going just a little bit here on my forehead. down the nose and, you know, a little bit here on the cheeks and on my chin. Now I will just do my eyebrows really fast and I'll be right back. Okay, so now let's move to the fun part, the eyes. So I will grab firstly the Warm Neutrals palette and I will take this color and I will go all over my eyelid and diffuse it towards my brow bone. I'm gonna go with it as well here on the lower lashes. Next I'll take this one and go directly on the eyelids. Just want to make it a little bit more darker and blend it here into the crease. The same color again on the lower lashes. And now I will mix these two and go right here on the brow bone and make it a little bit more, you know, softer. Now from the Bright eyeshadow palette, I will go and take this beautiful purple shade and I will go with this one right here into the inner corner of my eye. I will add some mascara and I'm using Full Fat Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury. Now initially I wanted to use a brown mascara, but I've decided to go with a black one and make this look more, you know, a bit more dramatic. But you can as well use false lashes. I'm gonna go and do a few coats of this one on the upper and then move to the lower lashes. Okay, so now let's add some blush and highlighter. And for blush, I was thinking to use Matte Blush by Maybelline. This is like my favorite blush in the entire world. To be honest, I have like tons of blushes, but I have the feeling that this is like one of the blushes that I will be using and using, you know, like all over again. I just love the texture, the color, it's just beautiful, and you can actually like build it up, and I think this is like a very good thing. So I'm gonna take some of the blush onto my brush and I'm using the Chic Finish by Zoeva. This is the 126. So I'm gonna go and add some of that here on the highest points of my cheeks. I always like to go with my blush like really up here. Now for highlighter, I will take I Heart Revolution. This is Beloved. It's a beautiful highlighter. It's so natural, so beautiful. So I'm gonna take and go like up here. Now for lips, I will go with Maracuja Juicy Lip from Tarte, and this is in strawberry. And ta-da! Okay, so you guys, this is the final look. I'm just gonna zoom you in and actually see the eyes. So I am like literally obsessed of how it came out. I just love this brown and purple combination. This is so beautiful, and I think it's very appropriate like for an everyday makeup look. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like it, and if you want to try this makeup look, don't forget to tag me along. So before you leave, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!